Ferdinand Postma High School is a multicultural, dual-medium high school situated in Bailey Park, Potchefstroom, with the motto, "To teach is to touch a life forever." Ferdinand Postma is a unique school with small classes, concentrating on each learner as an individual. We are very proud of our 100% matric pass rate, which we have sustained for the past 11 consecutive years. Some of our learners have received both national and international recognition for Olympiads, expos, and United Nations assemblies in which they have participated. Technologically, Ferdies has both feet firmly in the 21st century. Most of our classrooms have smart boards for interactive learning, which is the way education is going in the future. Our cultural activities include the English play, Aartia Kafia Kindertoneel, United Nations debating, Shakespeare Day, talent show, and the very popular Pulse. The technical team that provides audio-visual support for most of these activities delivers a top-class service. Old Ferdies who previously headed up the technical team in fact now maintain our highly professional desktop and mobile websites. Sports that we offer include athletics, rugby, netball, boys and girls hockey, cricket, and chess. And our learners have done very well in these sports, both regionally and nationally. Since we are a small school, each learner is given the opportunity to participate in the sport of their choice, without the fear of spending the entire season on the bench as a reserve. Some of the highlights on our school calendar include the Big Brag, where the teachers dress up to get the spirit going for the athletic season. Also, Mr. and Miss Ferdies competition, the Matric Farewell, and the Spring Festival, which is a major fundraising project for us. In fact, the Spring Show is an event on the Potchefstroom calendar. It includes an amusement park, SANDF military exhibition, garden exhibition, over 100 stalls selling a huge variety of products, and a very entertaining arena program that has seen many well-known artists performing there. Community involvement is also very important to us. We had 18 teams that took part in the Potchefstroom Cancer Relay for Life this year, and we also support 2 underprivileged schools in our community, namely Lechabile Combined School and Rooipan. We also have an Interact Club, which forms part of the International Rotary Organization. Interact organizes projects like the collection of old toys and clothes for the needy. As you can see, our school is a diverse school, affording each learner the opportunity to develop to his or her full potential. So, choose Ferdies and give your child the opportunity to be someone and not just one more.